Hello, welcome to EasyTechStudios. In this tutorial, we are going to see how to download a file with the help of wget command. In this video, I will download Notepad++ installer with the help of wget command. So here I am copying the link. To download a file, the syntax would be wget and after that paste your link. So it will download a file into the current directory. As you can see that here it is downloading the file from the URL. I'll just quickly open my desktop. So here file is downloaded. If you want to download a file with particular file name, for that syntax would be wget-o. So here enter your new file name and after that your URL. So let's check the desktop, and here npp.zip is downloaded. Wget command is useful for downloading the files and packages from the remote locations. That's it from my side, and subscribe to my channel for more tech updates.